Hello everyone, I'm Bill Shires with Stone Age Water Blast Tools, and I'm here to talk to you about some of the designs that our engineering team has put into the Banshee tube cleaning tools. Most of these tube cleaning tools, they all look the same on the outside, but it's very important to understand the engineering aspects that are on the inside of the tools. One of the most important aspects is the direct flow water path that goes through every Banshee. Our design allows water to go straight through the tool and make one turn at the jets. And that's really important to understand. And what that does is it decreases the turbulence, and by decreasing the turbulence, you also decrease the pressure loss. That means we're delivering the highest amount of power to your cleaning application possible. Other tools on the market have multiple bends where the water path has to take to get through the tool, which then creates more pressure loss. Understanding pressure loss is one of the most important overlooked items in any water blast situation. Our Stone Age Water Blast courses go through the whole net effect of pressure loss, all the way from the pump all the way to the tool on the end of the hose. So it's very important to understand when and how you can reduce pressure loss. And what that really results in for you as the operator, as the contractor, or even the plant or asset owner is reducing the pressure loss means you get your job done quicker, and it also helps with being safer and more productive over the duration of the entire job. Let us know how we can help you out with your challenging tube cleaning jobs. Just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.